I'm going to show you how to do your eyebrows. This is how I do my eyebrows. You're going to need this Just for Men's beard dye. Mustache and beard dye. I got the color in Real Black. I like my eyebrows dark. If you don't, then you can do like brown. But I think that dark looks good on dark skin and it goes with my hair. And it just pops. Like, I don't have to fill them in. I just get them done. Or I do it myself and then I dye them. Already kind of, I don't know if you can see, they're already dyed, but it's kind of like faded and I didn't leave it on for long last time. So I'm redoing them and I thought that I would just show you guys. I'm gonna need a little case to like put the dye in. This is what I use for my eyelashes, but I can't find the one that came with the box. So this is the developer and the dye itself. It comes with a brush. I don't use the brush. I use this tinier brush. And it comes with gloves, which you're gonna need because I learned the hard way and I messed up my nails. So this is the color base and I'm just putting a dab on there. Like, that's way more than I needed. And then you're gonna take the developer and put that on there too. Like, equal parts. Okay, so I have this mirror right here that I'm gonna look into just to make sure that I am doing this right. So you're just gonna, basically like you're filling them in with like dip brow. And it's okay if you get some knot in your ears. You want to try not to, but it's okay because it'll come off like the next day. On the front a bit more lightly because I don't like the front to be too dark. Like, you want that natural like ombre look. You know what I'm saying? It's hard to record and do this at the same time. And if you mess up, you can always just take a Q-tip and clean up the excess. Okay, you can see this one looks like dyed, kind of. Like, you can see it looks different, like darker. Like, it's turning black. And like, I used to like fill them in high school. Like, I liked filling them in. But now I like the natural look. Like, I don't do my lashes as dramatic. Like, I do individuals myself. And like, I don't make them like, I do them long and simple. Like, not too full. Like, I don't know. I'm really just about natural look now. It might look crazy once you wipe it off, but by the next morning, trust me, like, the dye will only be on your eyebrows. It won't like dye your skin. And I get like compliments on them. Like, people say they look really clean and I think they're filled in, but they're not natural. So I'm gonna set my timer for, I'm gonna do it 10 minutes. 10 minutes, why not? 10 minutes. Yeah, so you can see they look really dark and I look like an idiot. But trust me, this is gonna look really good when you wipe it off. This lasts like a while. I did it last week and it was still there, but I just wanted it darker. Like, that's why I'm leaving it on for 10 minutes now. Like, the box is 5 minutes, so I left it on for like, I don't even think I did 5 minutes because I was scared and it was like my first time. But this time I'm leaving it on for longer so it's darker. So it'll probably last like 2 to 3 weeks. It all depends on how dark you want it to be. So it's been 7 minutes. I kind of want to wipe them off, but let's just see what happens. I mean, if they look bad, then they look bad. Oh well. That's what I get. This is what I wore on the first day. Not the first day, the second day. Follow me! I don't know if y'all can see that. I just put like makeup remover on a little pad. Okay. I hope the camera is like doing it justice. Like you guys can see that. Wow. Let me zoom in. I'm like extra close to the camera, but I want you guys to like see like how good that looks. And you know how you're like in class and like you go like this, or like, you know, you accidentally touch it and you smudge your eyebrow. You don't gotta worry about that when you just dye them. And you can always like fill them in too. So this is how they're looking. Cute, clean. From far away, like I'm like far away from a mirror, and like I can still see them. Like they still look clean. They still look filled in. Like I feel like eyebrows, they frame your face, you know? So it looks so much better when your eyebrows are done. Your eyebrows are, you know, you just pluck them, you wax them, dye them, whatever you do to your eyebrows. I think it just looks so much cleaner. Like it really like makes you look pretty when you take care of yourself and do your eyebrows. Cause so that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe. If you hit that notification bell, you can see every time I post. I'm gonna have the details to everything that I used in this video in the description box. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye. Young Zoe Beats.